Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil unboxing for August. On top I have the stickers for all the products and the recipes in the box. And here are the recipes. The first one is Sweet Citrus Lip Balm. That sounds awesome. And on the back of that card it does show all the essential oils in the box. And this is my favorite addition that they started doing several months ago. It tells you if it's kid safe, pregnancy safe, dog, cat safe, all that stuff. So I like that they include that, because if you're kind of new, or maybe there's just a essential oil you haven't used before, that way you know if it's safe to use around those type of animals or children. Next I have Radiate Joy Roll-On. It has citrus and grapefruit in it, so it's probably really uplifting. Sneak peek of next month's box. You stinker. This month we're fighting odor without toxic chemicals. Very cool. The next recipe is a cucumber soothing eye mask. And on the back of that one it tells you about this month's charity. So every month they do pick a charity, which typically I think it always is about ending human trafficking. At least many of them are, if not all of them. And they donate 13% of all profits, which is so awesome that they do that. The next recipe is a Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. They have some wonderful diffuser blends and they're so easy. Just a couple drops of each and they smell wonderful. On the back of that one, questions about this month's box. They have a blog and a FAQ page and some information about where you can find those things and their customer service email. Next up, Sweet Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub. That has, sugar, honey, grapefruit, almond oil. Their referral program, which I do have a referral code as well, that you get a gift card, so I'll put all that information below. And the last recipe is a Citrus Face Mist. Cool. And a note from Kate. So here are the essential oils this month. The first one is Citrus Burst. That one has lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, bergamot essential oils. So that's a blend and that sounds amazing. Also have juniper berry. Next up, something I can't pronounce. I probably shouldn't even try, but it's on screen so you guys can read it. I'm not familiar with that one. And then grapefruit, pink grapefruit to be exact. And then any extras that do not come in your bonus box will be on the side. So I do have a spray bottle, some cotton rounds, and these cute little containers. So yeah, so twice a year you do get a bonus box, and that comes with all your containers for your diffuser blends and coconut oil, stuff like that. I do have those featured in some of my unboxings. I do have a playlist in case you want to see more, and if you want to join, check out the description box below where you can find that promo code. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.